Does this sound familiar? You're sharing a quiet moment with your cat. You are petting them, lost in the gentle rhythm of their purr. Everything feels perfect. Then, out of nowhere, you feel a sharp pinch. Your cat has bitten you. It's confusing. It can even feel a little hurtful. This sudden bite is a common story I hear from cat guardians everywhere. It leaves people baffled, wondering if they did something wrong or if their cat is unpredictable. You are not alone. And the good news is, your cat isn't trying to be mean. The key to unlocking this mystery is a simple idea I call the petting threshold. Think of it like a cup that fills with every stroke. Each cat has a different sized cup. Some cups are huge. Those cats can soak up affection for hours. Others are tiny and fill quickly. At first it feels wonderful. Purrs, leaning in, connection. Until the cup overflows. Overflow turns good into too much. The bite is a clear signal. That's enough now. Please stop. Respect the boundary, and you prevent bites and build trust. The most common reason for a sudden bite during petting is overstimulation, the petting threshold in action. Imagine a gentle back scratch. It feels amazing at first, relaxing and caring, but if it keeps hitting the same spot for too long, the feeling changes. Skin gets sensitive and you say, "Okay, that's enough." Cat's fur connects to a dense nerve network. Each hair follicle is a receptor sending signals to the brain. Early strokes trigger happy chemistry, purrs, and calm. Repetition in one area can flip pleasant to irritating. Their brain screams from unchanging input. The bite is a reflex to turn off the fire hose. Classic long strokes down the back. The base of the tail is a nerve hotspot for many cats. A favorite spot can become a no-go with a few too many strokes. It's not just duration, it's intensity and repetition. Keep sessions short and sweet. Vary the spots you touch. Stop before you think they've had enough. And end on a high note so your hand means pleasant, not overwhelming. Sometimes a bite isn't overstimulation at all, it's hidden pain. Cats hide discomfort well. In the wild, showing weakness is risky, and that instinct remains. Your touch might press a sore spot, and the bite is an involuntary ouch, a plea to stop. Older cats may have arthritis in hips or lower back. A gentle stroke over stiff joints can send a jolt. Dental pain, sore tooth or inflamed gums can make jawline touches excruciating. Other issues include abscesses or tender abdomen from a bladder infection. If a bite is sudden, intense, and out of character, suspect pain first. Did you touch a new area? Do hips, belly, or mouth trigger a negative reaction? Any hiding, appetite change, or difficulty jumping? These are subtle clues something's wrong. Don't punish. Step back and observe. Try gentle palpation when they're calm. Best course? See your veterinarian. Explain exactly what happened, and get relief that restores peaceful petting. Another bite comes from your cat's predator identity, the play hunting bite. It doesn't stem from pain or overstimulation, but from instinct to stalk, chase, and capture prey. Your wiggling fingers or fast-moving hand can look like prey. With kittens, hand wrestling teaches that hands are toys. Cute when tiny, painful when grown. They're not aggressive, they're doing what they learned. A play bite is lighter, bite inhibition, often followed by a grab and bunny kick. Body language is excited and engaged. Your hands are for petting, not playing. The moment they go for your hand, stop and redirect to a toy. Always keep a wand toy or small mouse nearby and activate their hunting on the toy. Teach the boundary. Hands for love, toys for rough play. Yeah, that's the idea. A cat bite rarely comes out of the blue. Before teeth, they offer subtle warnings. These are the whispers before the shout. Learn the code to prevent a bite. Relaxed, tail high with a curve, or a slow wave. As overstimulation sets in, the wave changes, twitching tip, thumping on the floor, sharp side-to-side flicks. Not a dog's happy wag. This means agitation. Ears tell the story. Neutral and forward is content. Swiveling shows waning patience. Sideways airplane or flattened means defensive and overwhelmed. Sudden dilation, big black pupils, signals arousal or fear. Flat ears plus wide eyes is a red flag. Relaxed bodies are soft. Nearing the limit, tense, rigid, with twitching or rippling along the back. Feline hyperesthesia signals overfiring nerves. They may abruptly track your hand or stop purring. If you see tail twitching, flat ears, or tense body, stop immediately. Don't try one last soothing stroke. Remove your hand calmly and give space. Understanding why a cat bites is half the battle. The other half is interacting with respect for boundaries. Petting isn't about duration, It's about quality and location. Learn green zones versus red zones. Golden rule: always let the cat initiate. Offer your hand and let them make the first move. Safe spots are scent gland areas: cheeks, behind the whiskers, base of the ears, and under the chin. Petting here shares scent and bonds socially. Start with a still closed fist or single finger and let them rub. Put them in the driver's seat. Number 1 red zone. The belly. Belly shown means trust, not permission. It protects vital organs and can trigger a grab bite kick. Tail and paws are sensitive, and long repetitive backstrokes can overstimulate. Stick to head and neck for happiest cats. Approach when they're calm. Let them lean in, keep it short and focused. Stop while they're still happy. Repeating positive endings builds trust and invites more affection. Changing the dynamic is about rebuilding trust and speaking your cat's language. Your cat isn't malicious. Every bite is information. Your cat's way of saying stop when subtler signals were missed. Reframe the bite from aggression to communication and move from frustration to understanding. Use the petting threshold as your guide. Every cat is an individual with unique history and sensitivity. Be a student of your cat. Watch them. Listen to the whispers, the tail flick, ear turn, body tension. When you stop before escalation, you say, "I hear you, I understand you, I will keep you safe." Try this today. When they settle near you, don't start petting. Offer one still finger a few inches from their nose. Let them close the distance. If they rub, give a few gentle cheek scratches, then calmly pull your hand back. Keep sessions short and focused on favorites, cheeks and chin, and end while they're purring. Every positive interaction adds to your trust bank. You're not just avoiding a bite, you're building a lifetime of trust, one gentle, consensual touch at a time. Enjoyed this? Subscribe for more animal facts. Tap subscribe to stay curious.